You're welcome to my channel. A warm welcome to you if you're joining us for the first time. This is Chummy Yummy Kitchen, where our sumptuous and mouth-watering dishes are made. To get the full recipe details, please go to the description box below. So here I've displayed all the vegetables I'll use for the sauce, all washed and ready to be sliced. I'm using 250 grams of carrots, scraped and washed already, and then 2 medium green bell peppers and 3 yellow hebanero peppers and 1 large onion. I'm about to start the slicing. It's going to take some time. It took about 10 to 12 minutes to get these vegetables all sliced up. So basically I sliced all the vegetables in uniform shapes apart from the onion. The onion bulb was sliced into rings, the green bell pepper cut into thin slices, and the yellow pepper, I also cut that as well into very thin strips. Okay, that's it. And then here we have the other ingredients. We have a teaspoonful of curry, a dash of thyme, and half teaspoon of rosemary as well, ginger and salt to taste, with 2 seasoning cubes, with vegetable oil, about 2 cooking spoons. And if you can get the already packed stir-fry meat from the supermarket, that will be much better because it has already been cut into thin slices and packed for you. And if you have a whole meat like this one here, just wash in a salty water and carefully cut into thin strips so to be in uniform with the other vegetables. I marinated the meat after and I set it aside while boiling the rice, and afterward I had to put it in a wok and cooked for just a few minutes. I didn't overcook it, as you can see. So I'm getting ready to fry the meat now with the other vegetables. So now I've placed the pan on low heat. I've added some oil, some vegetable oil, that's the 2 cooking spoon vegetable oil. I've poured in the meat and the second batch is coming in. Still on low heat, give it a very good stir while getting ready to add the vegetables. At this point, I'm adding the vegetables. We keep stirring together with the beef. You can increase the heat now to medium. Now I'm adding the carrots to the vegetables, and I'm going to keep stirring and mixing together until they are all mixed up. You can add them all at once, like the bell pepper, the carrots and the onions all together at once. It all depends on how you want to do it. And meanwhile, if you have other vegetables like broccoli, spring onion, go ahead and add any one you like or have. You're not restricted to only carrots and bell pepper. Now I'm adding the curry powder to the sauce. Whatever you have, whatever ingredients you have already in your house, make use of them as you like, okay? You mustn't use just beef to prepare the sauce. You can use chicken breasts, you can use fish. You debone the fish and add the chunks if you like. Now at this point I'm going to add 1 seasoning cube and salt. So I'm going to mix them all up properly, getting ready to add the stock, because in this sauce I'm going to definitely add the stock without corn flour, okay? Now I'm adding the meat stock. I'm going to test and adjust for seasoning. Already coming out nice, isn't it? Yeah, chummy yummy on the beef. That's how we roll. Nice, yummy, so colorful. Be careful not to overcook the vegetables. You shouldn't cover for so long, just for a few seconds, and you open up, and stir frying is just okay. And so it's only in Chummy Yummy Kitchen that you can find mouth-watering, sumptuous, inviting, and the very best dishes. And it's all done now. Thank you very much for watching my video.